Operating system. Operating system and interface between. An operating system (OS) is computer user and computer hardware. Some popular operating systems include Linux operating system, Windows operating system, VMS OS 400X, ZOS, etc. A definition: an OS is a program that acts as an interface between the user and the computer hardware and controls the execution of all kind of programs. Scanned with CAM scanner software. Hardware. Where to? System softwares. CPU. Tarankan memory management, Tarankan processor management, Tarankan device management, Tarankan file management. RAM. Some of important functions of operating system. Security. Tarankan control over system performance. Jo accounting. Page date. User N. And application softwares. 1/0. Operating system. Tarankan error defecting aids. Tarankan coordination between other software and users. Scanned with CAN page date. Memory management. Memory management refers to memory or main memory. Main memory is array of words or own address. Management of memory large. A. Bytes where each word or byte a. Main memory provides in fast storage that can be accessed directly by the CPU. Is what part of keep tracks of primary memory it are in use. By whom what part are not in with Tarankan it multiprogramming, the OS decides which process will, when and how much memory. Tarankan allocates the memory when a process requests it. Tadazoda allocates the memory when a process no longer need it or has been terminated. Processor management. In multiprogramming environment, the OS decides which process gets the processor when and for how much time. This function is called process scheduling. An OS does the following activities for processor management. Tarankan keep tracks of all devices. Program responsible for this task is known as the 10 controller. Tarankan decides which process gets the device when and for how much time. Keeps tracks of processor and status of process. The program responsible for the task is known as traffic control. Tarankan allocates the processor CPU to a process. The allocates processor when a process is no longer required. Scanned with CAN device management. PEGO. Date. And OS managers device communication via their respective drivers. It does the following activities for device management. Keeps tracks of all devices. Program responsible for this task as the 1/0 controller. Tarankan decides which process gets the device when and for how much time. Allocates the device in the efficient way. The allocates devices. File management. A file is normally organized into directories. These directories usage for easy navigation and contain files and other directions. Decides who gets the resources. Allocates the resources. The allocate the resources. An OS does the following activities for file management. Keeps tracks of information, location, users. State. The collection facilities are often known as Let's file system, MA. Scanned with CAM scanner page date. Other important activities. Following are some of the important activities that operating system performs. Tarankan security by techniques, means of password and similar other. It prevents unauthorized programs and data. Access to control over item performance recording delay between request for a service and response from the system. Tarankan job accounting. Keeping used by track of time and resources, various jobs and users. Tarankan error defecting aid production of dumps, traces, error messages, and other debugging and error detecting aids. Tarankan coordination between other softwares and users, coordination and assignment. Compilers, interpreters, assemblers, and other software to the various users of the computer system.